morning, friends. Today we learn about the constraint in mushroom popularization. Why the mushroom is not popularized? That constraint we learn in this slide. This is presented by Nauna Khade. Okay, following constraint in mushroom popularization. Misunderstanding about mushroom food. Okay, the so many people are misunderstanding about the mushroom food. They doesn't know the values of mushroom or it contains the values and the superstition behind that when the dogs are litter or litter the dogs at that place the growing one umbrella that is a mushroom. This is the superstition. How that happen? I will explain at the end of this slide. Okay, unaware about mushroom. I'm taking survey or saying that nobody can know the mushroom, what mean by the mushroom. Those persons are illiterate. They may be known about the mushroom or negative health effect of mushroom, the food poisoning, mushroom allergy, and death. The most of the scientists are dead or died in the tasting of mushroom. It is very important. That is food poisoning or somebody having the mushroom allergy also. If they are eaten the mushroom, skin itching, eye itching is happen, and then swelling of body parts. That things will happen in allergic effect. It might be cause the death of the person if poison is more, or mostly the red color mushroom are poisonous mushroom. That is the causes the death of the person also. That you keep in mind. That things is behind that to popularize the mushroom. Okay, misunderstanding about the mushroom food. Okay, we'll see the point with explanation. Mushroom is a non-veg or veg food? That is the great question front of each and everybody. Okay, if we make a curry of that mushroom, you see like the piece of mutton or piece of cheon or anything something like that, or somebody says that this is the non-veg food, but this is not actually non-veg food. It is a purely vegetarian food. Okay, you eat must. Some people assume mushroom is a non-veg food because the button mushroom look like eggs. Okay, I have told about this already. That's why people not eat it. Okay, but this is not a non-veg food. It is a fully or purely vegetarian food. Generally, in village area, people say mushroom crop grown at the place where dog threw its urine. I have told about this. This happened due to only okay in basidiospores. Okay, if mushroom is fully grown, you see under the under part of that mushroom there is a gills, and in that gills the basidiospores is there. Basilospores, if the basilospores is spread in soil or dropped in soil or anywhere, and afterward dogs come in there and throw its urine there. Okay, and after that urination, they get moisture and also water, and they grow there. Okay, that's why that superstition behind that or misunderstanding behind that. If where the dog is through its urine and then that button mushroom is grown. That's not happen. This is a superstition behind that. Okay, okay. Unaware about mushroom. Okay, we are not well known what type of mushroom is there, how it's used, medicinal mushroom, different types of mushroom. Citric mushroom is mostly available in hotels, and button mushroom is very famous. At any place, you can easily available these things for eating. It is very fantastic. Generally, in village area, people not be known information about the mushroom food. Okay, some people not to know either mushroom food used for eating purpose. Okay, I have taken survey on that. I have also found same result there. Unaware about nutritional value of that mushroom. I have already told about this. Okay, negative health effect of mushroom. Okay, you keep in mind these things is only related to the why mushroom is not popularized. These things is behind that. Okay, negative health effect of mushroom. This is the mentality of the persons. Not all mushrooms are safe to eat. Okay, this is the not all mushrooms. You see here the sentence all mushrooms. No, there are some mushrooms which is safe for us to eat with the various possible negative side effects. Okay. This is also the superstitions or the allergic effect of that persons. Specialty mushrooms are available at your local grocers. If those are grocer person is there or a grocery house is there, there is available. These mushrooms are commercially grown and considered safe for the human consumption, but some might produce a serious side effect if you are allergic. I have told about the allergic effects, or they are contaminated. Okay, contaminated also give a negative effect on your or my health also. Food poisoning, mushroom allergy, and death also may be causes. Okay, we see first the food poisoning. What mean by the food poisoning? Food poisoning is the negative side effect of the mushroom contaminated with the Campylobacter jejuni. Campylobacter jejuni, a bacterium that can be present on the commercially grown mushrooms. This bacterium is present on that, and then improper cleaning or cooking method. Cooking method is most important, and cross contamination for the other animal derived foods or the improper pasteurization might be the causes of bacterial contamination of that mushroom, and it gets a food poisoning for the human being or anybody, human being, animals, those are eat the mushroom or death. Store bought mushrooms are generally safe for eating as long as you are not allergic. Here is the most criteria for you are not allergic person. When you have allergy, you don't eat it. But wild mushroom can be deadly. Okay, you don't go for the wild mushroom. You purchase only the growers mushroom, not wild mushroom, because growers mushroom are tested. What content is in that are tested already. Thereafter, but they sold it in market or selling it market. Okay, many wild mushrooms are resemble like edible mushrooms. You see here the white mushroom or button mushroom also wild mushroom is available there. Such as mushrooms are chatterless but are toxic and can be fatal if you eat them. Okay, picking wild mushroom for the consumption is risky and not recommended. Caution the blue bonnet master means you don't eat it. Wild mushroom. Okay, mushroom allergy. You can see here the mushroom allergy. Cultivation of mushroom including oyster mushroom. Okay, thereafter would we learn the oyster mushroom means what, paddy straw mushroom means what, milky mushroom means what, shiitake mushroom means what, button mushroom is what is the cultural practices is there, how they grow, what type of climate is required for the mushroom. That we learn in different lectures. This is a different species is pleurota species. Allergic symptoms in respiratory passage. This symptom is shows. Okay, friends, might be have you understood why mushroom is not popularized? Please help to popularize mushroom because it is very useful for human being for a health point of view. If you like my video, give me one like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.